Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a drugstore makeup product review for you guys on the new e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. I grabbed the shade Gorge Orange, you guys, because it just really stood out to me. The orange, I love warm tones and orange tones on my face, as you guys can see from the makeup look that I'm wearing. So definitely this was calling my name, so I definitely had to grab this. If you guys are interested in seeing me demo this new blush and share my honest thoughts with you guys on whether or not I think it's worth it or not, and if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this beautiful warm toned soft glam makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're going to start off with skin prep. I'm going in with the Lottie London Glossed Lip Gloss Oil, and I'm just going to use this to prep my lips. I love this stuff, you guys. It has a really nice minty flavor and it's just so moisturizing on the lips. It's actually pretty long lasting. I've really been liking this for every day on my no makeup days, just popping this on the lips, and I have hydration for hours, so I've really been liking this. Next up, we need to bring moisture to the face. My face is so dry right now. I did moisturize my face after washing it, but it needs a little bit more help, so we're going in with the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I like to take it on my hand just so I have control over where the product goes, or else it tends to just go all over. It goes on like my hijab, it goes on my shirt, and I don't love that. I like to go in with about 2 to 3 pumps. Next up, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just gonna apply this on my T-zone. This is just gonna give me some extra coverage for my pores because I do have pretty large pores, so this is gonna help just kind of blur them out. I'm going in with the Skin Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I love this stuff for under my eyes, so we're just gonna pop this on. It's so nice and cooling and hydrating and nourishing, you guys. I love this stuff under the eyes. Next up, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Color Corrector. This is in the shade Medium 2, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, around my mouth, and on any like acne scarring or imperfections that I have on my face. Time for foundation, and we're gonna be going in with a drugstore foundation that I completely forgot about, that I really liked back in the day, and that was the NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Matte Foundation. I haven't used this in so long, and I'm so excited to just use it again and see why I love this product so much. So I'm in the shade Buff, and I'm just going to apply this all over the face. This is such a beautiful foundation. I'm remembering why I loved it so much. It has such great coverage, and the formula is actually quite light. It's not heavy, and it's blending out so effortlessly. I miss this foundation a lot. I want to go in and contour the face, and I want to use a cream contour today. So I'll be going in with this one right here. This is the Skyscraper Bronzer by Lower East Side. This is such a nice creamy bronzer, you guys. It's honestly quite comparable to the Huda Beauty Tantour. I really like this stuff. All right, time to jump into the product that we're going to be reviewing today and testing out, and that is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, and this is a high pigment liquid blush, and I grabbed the shade Gorge Orange. If you guys know me, you know I love an orange blush, you guys, so when I saw this shade, I was like, yeah, definitely, I'm trying this one out. Here is what the applicator looks like. It's really nice and big and round. Let's just dot some on the face, and then we'll blend it out and see. I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and just blend that out. Oh wow, yeah, there is a lot of pigment with this product, as you guys can see. I love how easily it's just blending into the skin. Although this orange color might be intimidating because it looks very bright, on the face you guys can see it's a really nice, beautiful, soft, corally orange. It's not that intense once you put it on, and it is extremely pigmented. Like you guys saw, I put such a small amount of product and it just diffused and blended into this beautiful color, so I love it. I do want to add a little bit on my nose, and I feel like I need to add the tiniest bit. Like that's probably already too much, but let's just blend that out. That looks beautiful. I'm going to be a little bit crazy and go in with a little bit more. And of course, once I go in with concealer, it's not gonna look so intense, so it's okay if my blush looks a little bit heavy right now. I do want to take a little bit on my sponge and then see how that applies on the face. Oh yeah. This is also another technique, and you guys can see it's actually building up the product. So it's really nice and buildable. So if you add more, you will get more pigment and you'll get a more intense look. Like, look at this. I'm loving the blush, you guys. This blush definitely doesn't have like a glow to it like the e.l.f. Halo Glow, so that's what makes this product different. It's really just about the color, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I want to go ahead and just clean up the face a little bit. So I'm going in with some concealer, and this is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna blend this out and then set everything in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm just gonna clean up the cheeks a little bit with whatever product is on my sponge. I'm gonna just take my brush and wipe away the setting powder. I'm just gonna take any excess powder and just pop that onto my lids just to set them. I think it's safe to say that this blush is absolutely beautiful. This is definitely the look I was hoping for. A really nice, soft kind of orange, like a coral color on the cheeks. So definitely this is a win. I love it. Let's quickly wrap up the makeup look just to see the final results when you have your entire makeup complete. So I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows. I'm going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I just want to dust a quick neutral shade on my lids, so I'm going in with Incense from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2 palette. And this is just to add like a quick shadow to the lids. I do want to add just a little bit of shimmer to the lids, and I want to go in with my Glowdient palette, and I think I'm going to grab this shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that on the lids with my finger. This is such a beautiful orange shimmery color. I'm obsessed. I love it. Just going back in with the brush that I applied the Anastasia shade, and I'm just gonna diffuse out the outer portion just so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna quickly go off camera just to wrap up the eyes, and I'll be popping on some mascara, and this is the iconic London Enrich and Elevate mascara. Jumping back into the Glowdient palette, I think I want to go in with this shade right here just to highlight the face. I love this Glowdient palette so much because it has so many colors in it that you can work with. I'm gonna place a little bit of this highlight in my inner corners as well, just to make the eyes pop a little bit. Just need to wrap up the look by doing my lips, and I'll actually be going in with my two favorite lip products at the moment. So I'll be going in with the lip liner by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Chestnut. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is their Lip Velvet in the shade Parchment. And just to finish off the look, I need to just set my face in place, and I'll be going in with the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's review on the new e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, and this is in the shade Gorge Orange, of course. And overall, all I have to say is this product is wonderful. It's beautiful. I love the finished look, you guys. This is definitely a vibe. These claim to be super pigmented, and they absolutely are. I literally needed the smallest amount of product to get beautiful color on the face, and you guys saw it's also a very nice buildable product. So the more you add, the more intense and pigment you're going to get on your cheeks. I'm so happy with the choice that I made of getting Gorge Orange, because as you guys know, I'm all about orange tones. I love warm makeup looks like the one that I created today, and I'm just so happy to have another nice orange toned blush in my collection. Definitely, I would say this product is a solid 10 out of 10 for the drugstore. It's a reasonable price, and you get a lot of product in this bottle, and considering you don't need too much to get a nice blush look, you know this is gonna last you a really long time. They have a variety of colors, so definitely I think everybody can find a shade that they will love, and I definitely want to get more shades in my collection to play with, because again, I'm really happy and really satisfied with how the blush turned out, and I just think it's beautiful. If you guys like this warm toned, orange toned makeup look, then definitely don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!